Hello! Happy Vlogmas! I'm ill, I look like shit. Let's do this. I'm feeling so ropey. I felt alright. I had trouble getting out of bed this morning because I'm not feeling well. And then, but then I went outside and I had breakfast and I felt alright. But now I am majorly flagging and I'm like, I know I sound very coldy. I've just been working on getting the previous vlog live, the Holland vlog. I had so much fun editing that. It's quite a short vlog for what I usually do because it doesn't actually have that much talking in it, but more montage, which is so fun and just kind of like the flavor of what it was like. Yeah, I like it a lot. I'm not very articulate right now. I am looking over there at my new computer, which I ordered the other week. I am so excited. This is my first new computer in 7 years. My current computer, the one that's making a racket in the background, is 7 years old. I haven't had time at all to set it up. It's literally like, it's just out of the box. I've run some updates. I haven't done anything with it, but that is a little plan that I've got hopefully for this weekend if I'm not going to be spending my whole weekend sleeping. But the good thing about it is that it is a laptop, same as my current laptop. I mean, not the same, but as in like my current computer is also a laptop, except it's no longer a laptop because it cannot be away from the power and it gets so hot you can't actually use it as a laptop. So I'm actually really looking forward to the laptop experience that I haven't actually had for the last however many years. So yeah, exciting stuff. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, so it looks pretty boring. Here it is in its goodness. It's got this kind of rainbow effect on it. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. See, it's all shiny. I'm gonna remember what it is. It's an Asus ROG Zephyrus M16. There you go. There's the nice and shiny box. What this means is also that I get to do stuff now, or will be soon doing stuff that my current computer can't do, like proper live streaming, gaming. I'm so excited. What else? Exporting videos. It's all gonna be really good, but for now I'm still on the old trusty old one. I just realized that today is the 1st of December. I mean, I had realized that before, but I hadn't connected that yet with the fact that that means advent calendars. Yay! And Andrew got me this a little while ago and I put it away forgetting about it. So we're gonna open it. Shall we open it? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. You go ahead. Ooh. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Oh my goodness! Oh, I don't have an arm that's long enough. Look at that! It's just all teas. Teas, 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 teas. Zephyr. Teas, 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 teas. It's 24 days of teas. Can we find day number 1? What am I going to have later after dinner? Number 1. Oh, there.
Ginger.
3 ginger. Oh, I fancy that. Yeah. Thanks. Awesome. Yeah. That is actually great for after dinner. Okay, nice.